starting up our SVE blower. There's a timer in there that after a minute will time out and we should get a low vacuum alarm. And that is because our vacuum switch isn't hooked up. We currently have the hose off our vacuum switch, which would normally go there, but we're going to get a low vacuum alarm in a minute here. Low vacuum should just reset, comes back up, which will require another timeout by the time delay. Alright, we got our SVE blower in auto, controls wise. The actual blower is not on right now. What we're doing is waiting for the knockout tank to fill up. So we're actually using a garden hose to fill up this tank, and we're going to simulate a high level alarm, but we still got a little ways to go before we get there. And then once it does get there, we should get a red alarm light, and that green switch should go off. As you can see, our water level has tripped the float. We're going to go up front. We'll show the alarm light and that the SVE blower is not engaged. Can you get that door for me? See our red alarm light, switch is on but not green, so now we should be able to hand pump down a bit. Wait for a couple of seconds and then this alarm should reset. There we go. Alarm's reset, blower light's back on. Running the transfer pump. See, there's our pump amps, and we'll go watch it pump this water out. Pumping down. And we'll give it just a minute to pump out this big knockout tank. See here, there's our pump pumping out right there. Transfer pump is pumping down, and once it hits the low float, it should turn off automatically. There it goes. Pressure's off, motor's off. Go look at the light switch on the panel. See, we're in auto, but the light's not green because the float has turned it off. On our vacuum inlet. 40 inches of vacuum here. The rest of these valves are closed. check our amperage. We're checking on all 3 legs. Okay. First leg. Second leg. Third leg. The amp's there as well. It fluctuates a pretty good bit on a dry. That's pretty normal. It's 80 inches of water back there. Alright, our hydro vane compressor's running. Got amps here. Amps there. And the third leg. Alright, we've got the SVE running. You can see we have pressure here on the other side of this solenoid valve, but we just have these valves down here closed. So that solenoid is open because the SVE is on. If we crack this valve, you can see we'll start getting some air. You can hear the air. Now go ahead and shut that off. Now that the air's shut because our SVE is off, so solenoid shut. So that's how that works. Alright, we're turning the SVE on. Once this reaches 60 Hertz, we will get air back in this air line because the solenoid will open. So there it goes. Our air's back on because the solenoid opened. Alright, we've got a high pressure alarm right now, which we're going to reset. So our pressure's down, now we're going to bring it back up and trip it. And there it goes, there's our trip. Alright, we're at 115 psi at the compressor, almost 120 here. Our regulator's pretty much all the way open, right around the same. These are almost all the way open. 115, 120 psi, so what we're going to do is turn this off. And we're just going to keep an eye on these gauges. But if we don't see a really big drop off, we've already soak tested all these lines. But we're just making sure that they're holding pressure. So they all are in that 115 to 120 range still and holding. Yeah, still 118, 120 over here. So we're looking good. These are our amps on our explosion-proof heater. Yep. These are the amps for our little heater in the Sparge room. You see our fans off. Fans on. And turn it back off. The switch is on. Lights on. Our light switch is on. Lights on. So our fan is off. Fan is on. And then back off. Now you can see here various sensophone alarms coming in. So we can definitely tell that it is transmitting alarm signals.